Welcome back to Ride and Drive. Today we're diving into something that blends raw attitude with modern engineering. The 2025 Bobber motorcycle, featuring a cutting-edge 3D chassis. This isn't just a styling exercise, it's a perfect mix of classic Bobber soul with next-gen design tech. Right off the bat, the 3D chassis is what makes this Bobber stand out. Instead of a traditional tubular steel frame, this model uses a 3D printed structural design that's been precision engineered for strength, weight reduction, and visual impact. It's lighter, stiffer, and allows for some truly creative forms that you just can't get with standard manufacturing. The frame almost becomes a sculpted piece of art, with clean lines, exposed welds, and a raw metal vibe that screams custom, even though it's factory built. Now let's talk performance. Most Bobbers are built for low-end torque and smooth cruising, and this one's no different. It's powered by a torquey V-twin, around 650 to 800 cubic centimeters depending on the spec, delivering that classic thump and roll that Bobber fans crave. But thanks to the weight savings from the 3D chassis, throttle response is sharper, and the bike feels more alive, especially at lower revs. You get solid pull off the line, and plenty of grunt through the mid-range, perfect for cruising city streets or weekend backroad rides. The riding position sticks to Bobber tradition: low seat, mid-mounted controls, wide flat bars, but the ergonomics have been subtly refined for better comfort. That means less fatigue on longer rides, without losing the aggressive stance. And the seat height, super accessible. Most riders will flat-foot it, with ease, which adds to that confident, planted feel. Suspension is cleverly hidden, giving it that clean hardtail look without punishing your spine. It's a monoshock setup tucked under the seat, and it actually soaks up bumps better than you'd expect. Up front, you've got beefy forks with just enough travel to handle real-world riding without compromising on that Bobber stance. One of the coolest things about the 2025 model is the integrated tech. You've got a minimalist digital display that blends into the tank, LED lighting all around, and keyless start. There's also Bluetooth connectivity and a small control dial on the bars, so you can check trip info, battery status, and even receive turn-by-turn directions without taking your eyes off the road too long. Braking is solid too, front and rear discs with dual-channel ABS for safety. Given the lighter chassis, braking performance feels more responsive and balanced than you'd expect from a bike that looks this old school. Visually, the 3D chassis gives this Bobber a unique silhouette. There's something futuristic about it, but it still honors the stripped-down, minimalist roots of the style. No flashy bodywork, no unnecessary clutter, just raw mechanical beauty with a modern twist. If you're a rider who loves the look of a traditional Bobber, but wants something a little more forward-thinking, both in engineering and daily rideability, the 2025 Bobber with the 3D chassis is one of the most exciting things to hit the custom-inspired market in years. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd ride one of these or still prefer the old-school frames. This is Ride and Drive. See you on the next ride.